Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and hi everybody, it's me Dr. Ija. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add files and also folder into your eLearn at USM. So first thing first, you need to log in into your e-learning, and after you have logged in, it will bring you to your dashboard, and you can click you can click course that you wish to add your file or your folders into. So let me just click this course, the LG 500. This is my course page regarding statistical reasoning in education. Don't forget to turn editing on before you start the editing process, and identify week that you wish to add your file or folder. Let's say I want to add a file in this particular week, rangka khusus dan pengenalan kepada penakulan statistik dalam penyelidikan pendidikan. Okay, let's say I will click add an activity or resource. It will bring you to this window or this box. You can click resources, and here under resources you can add book, file, folder, label, page, and also URL. So in here I will show you how to add file. So the name of the file is lecture note for week 1. So please add a description to this file. Hi guys, this file contains the lecture note regarding introduction to statistics. Please read it before the lecture. Thank you. Okay, so let's say you think it's too small, you can bold and you can make it large, right? Take some time. Okay, let's say you're okay with that. Don't forget to tick display description on course page, and under the description part there is a select files where you can either drag and drop your file, or you can either choose it from the your document or your desktop. So let me just click add. So you can go to upload a file, choose files, and I want to add a PDF form of my lecture note. Okay, and then you can click choose. Then just upload this file. So Moodle will upload your files into your course page. Okay, take some time to upload. Okay, done uploading into your adding new file, and after you are satisfied with it, okay, the others you can just leave it by default and then save and return to course, and it will bring you back to your course page. And here you go, I already add lecture note for week 1, yeah, with the instruction. And if you click to this icon, or you go to lecture note for week 1, it will direct you to the file that you have already uploaded into your course page or your course. So this is a PDF file. So eLearn will open the file of the file that you have uploaded. Oh, it takes some time now. Okay, this is the file that I already uploaded regarding the statistics, introduction to statistics. Okay, so if you go back to your course page, alright, the student can just straight away click and it will direct you to the PDF forms that you uploaded. Thank you very much for watching this video.